guys, it's me, and yeah, this is my pumpkin puppy's new look. It's little cherries and this necklace, and so, anyways, I've been trying to make really random and pointless videos. I don't know why. So I'm gonna go get a cough drop. I know this is a really stupid video, but I want to try to make more videos. But right now my computer's being stupid, so I'm on my laptop. I'll try to upload a video on my laptop. But yeah, I only have a minute left on my recording crap. So let's go. So yeah, thanks for watching and comment, subscribe. Bye, I just got a text.